These are the instructions for 2 Photoshop lessons, hue and saturation and color overlay, as well as how to edit your pictures for the color spectrum collage. Go to your Schoology class and you're going to see 2 pictures to download today, sunset and brick wall. Right click, save image as, go to downloads and save it there. Also save brick wall there. On brick wall, right click, save image as, under downloads, hit save. Then you're going to launch Photoshop. Once you've logged in, go to open on the left, go to your downloads and choose sunset, and then also open brick wall. Let's start with sunset, basic hue and saturation. Go to image, adjustments, hue and saturation. You can move this around to see the complete image. You can take the saturation bar and continue moving it right. We don't want to go all the way because it starts messing up with the grain, but increase that. And if you would like to, this is also where you can change the colors of the sunset. It can be as realistic or as unique as you want it to be. I kind of like the green and pink, but it's your personal choice. Click OK and then File. Always save a copy. Call this one Sunset Copy Done. Make sure it's under Downloads, then click Save and OK. With brick wall, this is going to be similar to what you saw on the video from Tropico Photo. We're going to turn this brick wall into a different color. Once you open it up, go 1, 2, 3, 4 tools down, click and hold it down, and choose Quick Selection Tool. Then at the top we have plus paintbrush and minus paintbrush. Let's start with plus. Take your mouse and paint over the brick wall. It's okay if we get the vase and the chair for right now. We've got the brick wall at least. I did want to get rid of this vase now, so click the minus paintbrush. Get rid of that vase. And if you got a little bit of this doorway right here, you can get rid of that. Don't worry about the chair. It is transparent anyway. And get as much of just the brick as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're going for concept here. Go to Layer, New, Layer. We're going to add some color to it. Click OK. Then go to the Paint Bucket tool. Once you're on the Paint Bucket tool, go down the toolbar and you have 2 squares. Yours is probably white and black. Click the white one where my green one is right now because I had selected green earlier. And then go up and down the color spectrum until you find a color you like. I would like a green or a red or a pink wall. Let's go with pink. Once you choose the color you like, this is how thick that color is. I'm going to go with a very, very pink wall. Then click OK. And then once you have that paint bucket kind of icon on your mouse, click and it fills in the color. Now to make it more realistic, on the right hand side in your layers menu, here's a couple of adjustments that you can make to this layer. Now Tropico Photo uses both the color and the multiply layer, but there are many other choices here. And it just depends on what your object is and how saturated you want the light to be. And also on the color you chose. So look what multiply does, look what color does, look what screen and a few others do, and you choose the one that personally fits your, I guess, style best. I'm going to go with color just because I like the saturated colors. When you're finished, go to File, Save a Copy Always, because right now this has layers and it would save it as a PSD. So choose Save a Copy because it automatically makes it a JPEG. And after copy, put that is the brick wall copy done. Save and OK, and that's going to be turned in later on Schoology. Back in Schoology, we finished these 2 things. You can go ahead and turn them in. When you're done, I want you to click on What is Next. So earlier this week, you took your color spectrum pictures. If you are ready, we need to start editing them before you can put them in your collage. You probably already have Photoshop open, so if you're still there, plug in your SD card with your rainbow pictures on it to the computer using the SD card reader. Then go to File, Open, and then find the pictures that you think best match red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple items. You're going to have tabs across the top. On each of them, do exactly what we did to that sunset picture. Image adjustments and play with the hue and saturation until it's very bright, bold colors. You can also do the other things such as color changes in that same window if you want to, and lightness and darkness. As you finish with each photo, file, always save a copy, so it's a JPEG, and rename them as red done, blue done, green done, and so on. Once you're finished editing all of your pictures, you're going to upload the finished ones to your Google Drive. Go to Google Drive and then CP1, create a new folder called Color Spectrum, and then on your iPad now, you can go to your Google Drive and using PicCollage or Canva, make your collage just like the student examples that we saw on the instructions earlier this week.